Club is a hardware and building materials store located in Tampico, Tamaulipas, Mexico. Its mission is to venture in the national market with quality products and services at competitive prices, really satisfying the needs required by their customers and transcend through sale and continuous improvement. The spirit of service and excellence. The objectives, according to the SMART model, are in the specific area to implement the digital technologies with the creation of a web page that will be a way to facilitate the transaction between the business and the customers. In the measurable part, the counters in the web page will be directly related to the sales department, in which we will know the number of transactions made through this page. In the actionable part, the feedback that the customers give on the web page will go to the designated department in order to make improvements. All this with the management of a programmer's team inside of the company. In the relevant part, the number of sales in time will increase significantly because there will be another channel for the suppliers. Time-related means that there will be a decrease of time that the company takes to complete an order, and the time left can be used in the improvement of the core business. We will implement an e-procurement system in order to improve the relationship buyer-supplier and make more efficient all the steps involved in the transaction between them. With this, the company will become competitive and upgraded to these times. For this initiative, we will need a software investment and capacitation in order to make the most of the software. Online sales will be the first and most notable result after the implementation of the initiative. Another remarkable area that will have an impact is the stock management, because the inventory will be controlled in real time. The Club has already a Facebook page in which it has been improving the relationship supplier-customer. We will accomplish the initiative with customer relationship management strategy tools in the website. They will be implemented along with a capacitation in order to fulfill the objectives.
Hello, I'm Sonali and I'm going to present the stakeholders of the company and the initiative. So first of all, we have internal stakeholders on the one side and external stakeholders on the other side. So the primary stakeholders that we want to focus on for this initiative are the customers. Why? Well, obviously the website is designed for our customers. On the one hand, to enhance the customer relationship. Then, of course, to increase sales, we want to offer our products not only in the stores but also online on our webpage. And we obviously want to focus on customer service in order to really build loyal customers and to give them the availability of maybe if they have problems or issues that they can always come to the company and inform them, and we will be able to support them with that. So basically, in order to enhance the customer relationship again. Then, of course, we have the suppliers that are also affected by this initiative because it will obviously increase sales, and therefore it will affect the supply chain process, and maybe the quantities will be higher and therefore the suppliers will be affected as well. And also the employees, well, the programmers of the website who have to maintain the website as well, and of course create the website first of all. And the owners and the managers also will be affected by this. However, our primary stakeholder would be the customers. Regarding the business areas that are involved, there are 6 business areas mentioned in the presentation. So first of all, we have the marketing. So through the web page, obviously you want to market the company, you want to market the products, and you want to market the services. Then of course the sales will be affected as products will be available through the website, and therefore for the customers to be able to buy it from the website. So it will affect the sales area. Then of course since the sales area is affected, finance and accounting will be affected as well, and it will have effect on the numbers and the finances. Then of course customer service will be affected, as through our initiative we want to focus on the customer relationship management of the company and really enhance that, and therefore we want to provide the best customer service possible for the customers of Ferrier Club. And it will also affect the production, as sales will be hopefully increasing through the web page and the implementation of having a web page where you can buy the products online as well. So it will have effect on the production as well. And also on human resources, as the company will need to hire programmers and people who maintain the page and the customer service, who are responsible for that, and therefore human resources will be affected as well. So basically these 6 business areas would be the most important, which would be involved.
Talking now about the time frame of this project, we first identified 8 points or stages in where we identify the important details of this project that we'll have to consider in order to develop this project. First, we have the planning, that basically is this semester in which we propose an initiative and we design a plan of innovation in order to develop the objectives we want. Then we have an evaluation in which we align the objectives of this project to the mission and the vision of the company. Then we have the development of the website, in where we search for suppliers and we select the best in order that supplier can design our website. Then we have to select a candidate, especially we will base in his or her abilities or in technology and communication information, and to identify the business area that will be in charge of this website. Of course, it will require a training, especially for the website access and control. Then we will have a first test where we want to launch this website. It will require a monitoring process, especially for support, technical support, and we finally end with an evaluation of the use and the answer capacity of the people in charge of this website. The time frame that we manage for this project or for this initiative, we began the planning on October and November. That basically is this semester in which we design this innovation plan. The evaluation will follow in January. Then the website development will be in February. Then the candidate selection on March. The training also in March. We want to make all that work in March. Then the test and monitoring will be more difficult to take that task. So we decide to invest 2 months in these activities, and the feedback will be in June, and this is equal to 6 months, more or less. After the planning, 6 months until it ends development. And talking about the budget, we make some research with companies and website designers, and they told us that the annual investment it equals to 25,000 Mexican pesos, but this includes the design, the maintenance, and technical support that requires the website.
The risks and obstacles. The first one is a considerable amount of investment for the creation and maintenance of the web page. The second one is the unreliable connection, and the third one is the complicated use. The benefits is easy access. Whoever needs information about Ferrier Club will be able to find it in the web page. everyone can buy online, and this will increase customers and also will increase sales because more visitors leads to more potential sales. And finally, the digital technologies that for a club will need. The first one is a web server, the second one is a database, the third one is the API, and the fourth one is the programming language, and finally the fifth one is a web framework.